Hi, friends, welcome to another episode from Honey Lemon Ginger. Today's recipe is shrimp masala. This is a easy and quick recipe cooked in just under 15 minutes. I usually have wild caught shrimps in my freezer and make this recipe when I am short on time. This will always be a hit in your home. But yeah, wait. Shrimps have a bad rap that they are high in cholesterol. Is that true? So stay tuned to find out if shrimps are really good and healthy for us. Let's start cooking it. While we add the shrimps, let's talk about the shrimps. Are the shrimps really high in cholesterol? Yes, shrimps are high in cholesterol. However, they also contain omega 3 fatty acids, which promotes heart health. And you will be surprised to know they are low in calories, high in protein, iron, potassium, zinc, magnesium, and more. They are one of the best sources of iodine, an important mineral required for thyroid function. So, overall, shrimps are ideal for good health and weight loss. But remember, always buy wild caught shrimp to stay away from antibiotics. And friends, remember to check in next week for a delicious kala kebab recipe with a healthy twist. For the full recipe and more, check out my website at honeylemonginger.com/recipes. For nutritious weekly recipes, subscribe to my channel for more. Until next time, with another great episode from Honey Lemon Ginger Holistic Health Coaching.